In Slate, you can build custom donation forms that can be embedded on your institution's website. You have the flexibility to customize your form according to your own needs. Let's start by navigating to Forms. I'll select New Form, and I'll give it a title. I'll make it active, save it, and we'll go to Edit Form. Now I'll collect some biographical data on our donors. I'll add a section for gift details. All giving forms require a gift fund, amount, status, and type. I'll start with the gift amount as a text box. I'll give it a title, and I'll map it. I'll also add a format mask, and we'll make this required for submission. Next, I'll add the fund designation as a select list. I'll map it to our funds, and you'll see that they'll populate here. I'll set a default value, and we'll make this required for submission as well. Next, I'll add my gift status. I'll map it. And I'll make sure to set the default value as received, and we'll make this a hidden field. Next, I'll add my gift type. And I'll make the default value credit card, and I'll also hide this. Now that we have our gift fields, it's time to add the payment widget. The payment widget will calculate the total donation amount and provide options for payment. I'll drag in the payment form, and I'll select sum of payment amounts. I'll add the account, and I'll enable embedded payment collection on form. I'll select Slate Payments and PayPal and Venmo. I'll also add a header row. And that's it. Now I'll navigate back and click on our URL, and here is a simple online giving form made through Slate. These can be made even more complex to suit your needs.